Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2025 Range Rover SE, full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Let's take a walk around and show you how we wrap everything in. We've done everything from the red to all the black, all the trim up top, the fins, spoiler, all this black trim here on the hood. Letters come off, all that stuff. So let's take a look at this XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film that we installed on this 25 Rover. We do a custom install, so everything gets wrapped around the edges. For example, the hood, the letters come off and all the edges get wrapped on this hood. You'll see there's no markings in this hood. It's all done in one piece. No need for any seams. A large hood. Some people have a difficult time with it, but that whole hood all the way around fully wrapped in, even the most important parts right up here. And then these come off, these caps, real simple, no edging around that. Everything's underneath, edge back here, fully wrapped. All your A-pillars fully wrapped, your doors fully wrapped. These caps come off on the fenders, so there's no edges here. Real clean install. These headlight washers come off, fully wrapped, no edging. The bumper's fully wrapped inside. All the letters go on the PPF, so there's no cutting around them at all. They go exactly right over it. And continuing on, much more the same here and here, all wrapped in. A-pillar, 100% wrapped. Mirror, fully wrapped. Doors are 100% wrapped inside here. Sides, bottom, rocker panels, all this stuff's 100%. Coming up to our support beam up here, this whole top roof section is wrapped in. Coming around our spoiler, 100%. Our tailgate, liftgate, all one piece, all one piece. Everything's in beautifully, all the way down to this black thing there on the back, the diffuser. Our fuel port is 100% wrapped in, and also into here. So everything's good, no edges showing. This way this car will have plenty of life when it's been wiped down and washed, with no edges being compromised. Plus when rocks hit it, they won't hit that edge. So there it is, 2025 Range Rover SE, full wrap, paint protection film, XPEL's Ultimate Plus here at Clearbrook, North Dallas. Our address in Argyle, 308 FM 1830, in Argyle, clearbrooknorthdallas.com, and our phone number 214-414-3809. I'm Brent. Cell, if you'd like to give me there, text 940-703-8301. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us. Thanks.